In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a transition to a video. Okay, so drag the video into the timeline. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate two parts of the video. So I'm going to separate it here. To do that, go to split up playhead. So now there's two sections of video. So to transition from this part of the video to this part of the video, I'm going to add a transition in between. To do that, just hold down the left click and drag the right part of the video over the left part of the video. And that's how you create a transition. So let's play it back and see how it looks. So there you go. Now if you want to increase the transition, if you want to make the transition longer between two parts of the video, just overlap more. The more you overlap, the more the transition is going to be. So there you go. That is how to add a transition to a video. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.